How are we doing today, guys? So today is my first day going to my shop after 3 months since I had an accident. So I've not been to my shop, so today I'm going there. So I want you guys to wish me well. I'll be vlogging today throughout everything I'm doing today. Today is all about cleaning up, taking care of the shop. Okay, I did some little renovation there, so today I'll be showing you guys around my shop, my small shop where I do business. So I'm so happy, guys, that finally I'm going out today to start my business. Please wish me well. Thank you for being there for me. Your prayers, they worked very well. So guys, we are driving out of our house right now, so heading to the shop. So when we get to the shop, I'm going to still vlog so that you will see the little renovation we did in the shop. So today is all about cleaning. Like I told you guys, I'll be doing a lot of cleaning today because I know that dust might have spread everywhere, so I have to take care of the shop before customers start coming. I had to again call my customers to inform them that I've resumed, so they should start coming to the shop instead of visiting my house, which they have been doing for like 3 months now. So I'm so happy, guys. Finally I'm going to my shop today. So guys, I'll keep you guys posted on the happenings. This is my shop. You can see everywhere is still scattered. Yeah, I believe that by tomorrow we will be through, we will be done with the cleaning up. Yeah, this is it. So electrician is coming to fix some lights for me here. This is where I do my business. This is my spa. So guys, I told you guys that I'm going to be briefing you guys when I get to my shop today. This is my sofa, the renovation. Okay, I had to change the leather of this shirt from black to red. I like it like this. So this is it. So guys, business has resumed as usual. So I'm here. Okay guys, so I'm so sorry for this week throughout you have not seen me upload any video yet. So when I'm settled, like I told you, I came out on Monday, which is yesterday. So and we are still putting things in order. So I believe that tomorrow business will resume, then I'll have time to start making videos for you guys. All right guys, my Gele students, please just hold on. I'm going to release Gele for you soon. Makeup students, same thing. Then my beauty and tips followers, I love you guys. Just stay tuned. So I'm out right here now, so let's move around and see how the shop look like. So this is it. This is my shop. As you can see, this one, I have one big mirror here. See, yeah, ups, yeah. So you can see this place. This is where I display my makeup. And then I have my chair. You can see my chair here. Then the one, yeah, that is it. That is the door. That is the entrance to my shop. So as you can see, this is my shop. A lot of you don't know that aside makeup, gele tying, and the rest of the things I teach on YouTube, I miss cream for a living. Yeah, this is the place I miss my cream. This is the place my customers, they come anytime they want to mix cream. They always come to this place to get one. But for like 3 months now that I have been at home, they couldn't come to this place. All of them, they were directed to my house. Yeah, but I thank God, since on Monday I started coming to the shop, and I'm so happy. Everything is over now with the arrangements, with things, small things that we renovated, and put in place, like repainting the shop, so that because everywhere was so dusty. So the shop, the outcome of the shop now is very, very, you know, beautiful. So guys, this is where I do my business. This is where you can get me anytime, any day. So guys, see you in my next video.